Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And now we are in the standard photo mode. Here let's slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And now let's move to the right corner to this button, the second from the right. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide down a little bit to the capture settings. And here we have the assistive grid option. So by using this button, we can easily turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. For now, let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera. And as you can see in the preview, we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can slide again to the left, use this button to open the advanced camera settings, slide down to the capture and pick here to turn them off. So for now, in the camera, we can see that the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.